Hi everyone, welcome into Mud's Closet. My name is Miriam, and today I have a Simple Stories mystery box unboxing. Now I have to tell you the truth, I did take a peek in there, but I haven't really gone through it, so I'm going to go through it with you. I'm going to just cut that, and are you ready? Oh, you guys. Okay, so I got this at Scrapmania in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. It's a locally owned store. It's huge. She's amazing and will ship. The box is supposed to be over $200 worth of stuff, and the cost is $65. So I will post her link below. You can go to the website and order if you want. This is not a paid promotion. I just really love supporting local businesses. And I have to tell you right now, I'm so excited. Oh my God, because I'm kind of getting a glance at what's going on in here. And ephemera is what I love most, but mostly I'm seeing things that kind of go together. So I love that. So here are some floral bits, 34 pieces. And I have not used this brand of anything before. I've not used Simple Stories. Honestly, it's oftentimes out of my budget range, so being able to have this mystery pack at this reduced price allows me to play with it and try it a little bit. These are awesome. I'm going to move at a relatively quick pace because I don't want this to be super long. If you want to see more details, if you'd like for me to open each pack and go through, leave me a note and I'll do another video with that. But 34 floral bits, those are die cuts, cutouts, cardstock. All right. Oh, I love this kind of grungy. These I love. Simple Vintage Essentials, it's called. Chipboard, clipboard, 29 pieces. And there are all the bits. Oh, you guys. Floral Bits, Simple Vintage Spring Garden, 43 pieces. 2024, so these haven't been sitting in the warehouse forever. Acorn Lane, those are beautiful. I love browns. 60 cardstock die cuts, ephemera bits and pieces. These are 2023. Oh, botanical bits, 38 pieces. I am in love with these. 2023, you can kind of see what's there. Sentiments. All right, now I don't do a whole lot with sentiments, and these colors aren't really a whole lot of what I do, but they're cute. 45 pieces. The collection is Linen Market. 2024. There's a good quantity in there. I can do something with those. Bits and pieces, Simple Vintage Linen Market. Those look like even just that bucket of lemons, y'all. Okay, summertime. This one appears to be a summertime collection. There are some really pretty things in there. Oh, you guys. Seed packs, 18 pieces of ephemera. Cider and donuts. You know, I am loving that that these pieces, they're pieces that go with collections. Oh, these are beautiful. Spring Garden frames, there's 6 frames there. Those are really beautiful. So for scrapbooking, to me, these, I will probably grunge them up a little bit and maybe use them on journal covers. That's more of what I do. But honestly, these are beautiful. These are really beautiful. Adhesive layered chipboard. There's 4 pieces. So each of these are really quite, they're big. So they'll have a lot of presence. 18 pieces. Simple Vintage Spring Garden. So there's some bigger pieces and some smaller pieces. I love the butterflies. I love the birdhouse. Tickets and things with numbers always appeal to me. Oh, this is a book of stickers. I know I said I wasn't going to go page by page, and I won't. Oh, you guys. These are beautiful. Love this day. I might use that sentiment. These are tape measures. They're, God, they would be great page borders. These are beautiful. These are really beautiful. Some washi tape. 75 feet on 5 rolls. So that's about 5 yards per roll. I think that's enough. That's good. Any more than that and you get tired of it. I especially like that thinner one with those flowers. More frames. Those are unique with some circles. Looks like there's a couple of these. Oh no, they're different. All right, this is another sticker book, simple vintage. Oh, there's sentiments, words. This is nice. Oh, you guys, I'm actually so happy. If we stopped right here, I absolutely got my money's worth. There's a fair amount of this autumn-y collection. These are transfer sheets. Cider and Donuts is a collection. This is paper. Again. Oh, that's not sealed. There it is. This linen market is, there's been a lot of ephemera for that. Oh, and they're double-sided, y'all. Oh, you guys. This is beautiful. Now I know why everybody loves this brand. $210 vintage essentials stickers, letters and numbers. I like that. Acorn Lane journal bits. Well, there we go. It looks like there's some tags, some little places with lines, some labels, stamps. Those are cute. Treats. They're little. There's 15 of them on this page. Now, these are not all necessarily something I would use, but there's a few of them that I think that I would use. Those are cute. Another paper, 6x8. The Cider and Donuts. There was ephemera of this same story, same collection. Again, double-sided. That's a treat for me, y'all. Some cut-aparts. You know, when there's papers like this that really are, they have to be used a certain way, they have letters on them, things like that. Those of you that do paper crafts, things that fold, or different journal styles, tell me what you do with those. That's cute. Tags. Those are cute. 24 papers. It looked like there were some repeats, 24 double-sided sheets, 2 designer prints, tag elements, journal elements, and greeting cards. All right. Stencils. That's fun. These are lemons and acorns. This is a very diverse box. Oh, cardstock stickers. The little things. There have been some things in this box already that are from that collection. Those are cute. Bloom where you're planted. Happy memories. Lovely day. Love you. Acorn Lane stickers. Again, chipboard. And there's nothing like staying at home. Boy, that's the truth. These are some big things. Oh, some papers and stickers. There isn't necessarily a label that says what this is, but it looks like there's a few pages in there. So these are stickers, Sunny Days, Easy Breezy. I love these, like a bingo card. This is like receipts or tickets, the postcard. Those are kind of the things that I'm really drawn to. And then, and I think these, oh, beautiful double-sided. I think these pages are usually $1.49 a paper. And it looks like, how many are here? 6 of them. So that's pretty good. And then another, actually a couple more sets. Oh, this one, 12 by 12 St. Patrick's Day. That's fun. I don't, again, do a whole lot with brights, but I like St. Patrick's Day. My husband is Irish. And this one is Happy New Year. 2 sheets each of 3 double-sided designer cardstock paper, including cut-apart elements, 1 12 by 12 cardstock sticker, including 85 stickers. Y'all, there is a lot of stuff here. This was a bargain. The Simple Stories mystery box. There were 3 of these 12 by 12 packages of sets, and then all this other stuff, y'all. Again, I'll put the link down below if you want to get yourself one of these. I do know there's more from different brands coming to the store later on next month, I think she said. So keep your eye on Scrapmania. I think it's shop.scrapmania. It's shop.crscrapmania.com. Thanks for watching. If you guys got one of these boxes, leave me a message, leave me a note, and tell me what you loved from your box, or if there was a favorite thing from this one. I'd love to know. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you made it this far, I sure appreciate it. Have a great rest of the day, and please come back soon.